Hello, I'm Charlie, a BA Photography third year student here at Falmouth University, and today I'm bringing you a slightly different kind of day in the life video, as the world is currently in this very uncertain time with this virus that I don't really want to talk too much about, but everything has kind of changed and our course is now going online, so we're doing all our work from home, sort of the self-isolation, social distancing thing. So I thought I would share with you a day in the life of working from home and share with you how our course has changed onto online, and just share with you some kind of things that I'm doing to kind of stay productive and not get bored, I guess, in this very uncertain time, and just what I'm kind of doing to keep myself busy. So I hope you enjoy this different day in the life, but hopefully it will still be interesting and you will enjoy it. So yeah, I am gonna go now because I have a lecture this morning. It is not quite, it's 9:30. I've got a lecture at 10, so I will show you that, and then I've got a tutorial this afternoon, and I'm just gonna get productive and get on with my work, and we will see how it has all changed moving on to online. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Welcome to my desk for the day, my kitchen table. I'm quite lucky that I have this space because I have my own flat that I share with my boyfriend. So yeah, but obviously just work with the space that you've got. But my number one tip for working from home: get up in the morning like you normally would, get ready, dressed like you normally would to go to a lecture. It just puts you in a better mindset, really. So yeah, I literally have a tutorial in 5 minutes. No, a lecture. Get that right, Charlie. We're now using a system called Microsoft Teams that looks really cool. So if it works the way it should, then it's a really clever system. So that's gonna be cool. So we just finished our first online lecture meeting where they basically discussed what is happening now with uni and our deadlines and everything, and it was actually kind of fun. I'm sure I won't be saying that in a couple of weeks, but right now I think I'm gonna go for a walk because it is the most beautiful day. I think it's ridiculous that we've had beautiful sunshine come out right at this time that we're all being told to stay inside, but I'm gonna go for a walk just around the block, pretend I've got a dog and just walk it around the block, just get some fresh air and get some sunshine, and then I'm gonna come back and get on with some work. I wanted to share with you a list of activities that over the last couple of days I've been thinking about, like things that I can do that don't really involve going outside, that I can do from in here or on my own. Thought I would share these with you because they're kind of productive things and positive things to just keep doing and thinking about while we've got this extra time of indoorsness. So something I'm going to be doing is updating my website. I think it's a really good time to create a website or update it if you haven't done already. It's something that all us creatives need, is a website, somewhere to showcase your work online. So I think that's definitely something to do. Update your CV, one of the probably most boring things, but I actually think definitely as myself now as a third year, that's something that I definitely am going to need really soon. Actually, I have needed it already, so I don't really need to do that myself, but I could definitely probably update it with a few things by now. Baking, I love baking, and maybe cooking something new. I recently got a new cookbook, so I have been trying a few things out in there, so that's definitely something you could do at home and kind of work with with the food that you've got in the house. I love BBC Good Food for recipes. There's literally thousands of recipes on there for anything you could possibly think of, so why not try something new? Take an online course, LinkedIn Learning, or lynda.com as I think it was previously known. As a student at Falmouth, you have access to it for free and it is incredible. If you've heard of Skillshare, it's basically Skillshare but LinkedIn Learning, so it's not quite the same thing, but it has everything that you could possibly think of, from courses about like Adobe, Photoshop, all that kind of stuff, to like running a business and like art stuff. There's literally everything. Like if you want to learn something new, it's probably on there, or YouTube it. Like there is everything on YouTube. Another thing I'm gonna do is have a big clear out of all my stuff. It's coming up to that time of like moving out of accommodation, so I think having a big clear out and re-condoing your life is probably a good thing to do. I'm also gonna have a digital clutter of like declutter of like all my social medias and like digital spaces, and back up my hard drives. That's the most boring task ever, but it's something that definitely needs doing often, and I think in this time of crisis is probably a good thing to do. Finding new ways of communicating with people is probably also a good thing right now. FaceTiming people, like family, friends, checking up on people. There are a lot of also like online games you can do online. There's also Netflix Party, which is a Chrome extension for Netflix, and you can basically download it for free, and then you can join up like watch times with people. So I could be here and my friend could be at their house and we can watch Netflix together, and it has a little chat panel and you can like sit and chat and watch Netflix at the same time. I think that's so cool, and I tried it the other day with my friend and it was really fun. I will also put my list up on the screen so you can see the other things that I've been thinking about doing recently and will probably be doing in the next coming weeks. Hopefully you find some of those helpful with things to be doing, and yeah, I'm gonna get on with the rest of my day because I've got work to do. Just wanted to check in and say thank you for watching this video. We just heard the news about the lockdown, so I hope you're all doing well, and hopefully you found this video helpful with some things to do in this difficult time. And let us know in the comments below what you are doing in this time of social distancing. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon. Bye.